If your goal is to eventually earn a bachelor's degree, you should pursue one of the 3 transfer degrees that Wenatchee Valley College offers. There is the basic degree applicable for most majors, as well as 2 major-specific degrees for students going into either a business-related field or a science-related field. Start by choosing the degree that is the best fit given your future goals, and open and print out or save the worksheet. If you need help choosing the correct transfer degree, talk to your faculty advisor. If you are uncertain about your future goals, the basic degree is a good place to start. Today we will teach you how to read the basic degree worksheet called the Associates of Arts and Science degree, or AA degree for short. You can use what you learn from this video to read and understand the other transfer degree worksheets as well. Each transfer degree lists the required number of college-level credits at the top of the page. This number is usually right around 90, and each degree is designed to satisfy your general education requirements so that you can start as a junior when you transfer to participating colleges and universities in Washington State. Remembering that most WVC classes are 5 credits, most transfer degrees require you to complete about 18 to 20 classes. Below you will see columns that start to break down exactly which classes to choose from. As you can see, only the course numbers are listed on the worksheet. You'll need to use the course schedule to find descriptions and prerequisite information for these classes. In most cases, only the classes listed on these degree worksheets will be accepted at four-year universities. If you take classes not listed here, it's unlikely that they will be transferable to another school. First, in the writing category, you need to complete 10 credits. English 101, a 5-credit class, is required. You must earn a C or better before moving on into one of the 200-level English classes, each of which is also 5 credits. Once you have also earned a C or higher in your 200-level English class, you have completed the writing requirement. The next category is quantitative symbolic. For this degree, you need 5 credits in this category, and you can choose from any of the classes listed. Depending on your English and math placement, you may need an additional class or 2 to brush up on your writing, reading, or math skills before starting these college-level courses. Keep in mind, courses numbered below 100 are not considered college level and therefore cannot be counted towards your degree. Continuing on, 15 credits are required in the humanities category, so you will need 3 classes from this list to meet this requirement. Your options start here with art and continue on through world languages. Notice under the humanities heading, it states that the courses must be from 3 different subject areas, so even if you want to be an art major and you want to take a lot of art classes, only 1 art class can be used to count in this category, and then you'll need to choose 2 other classes from different subjects. For example, maybe a music class and a philosophy class. Be sure to take no more than 1 performance course. The same rule goes for natural sciences and social science categories. You must have 3 classes from 3 different subject areas. Notice under the natural sciences heading, it states that you must have at least 1 class that includes a lab. Lab classes are easy to identify because they are underlined. Finally, the elective category requires a minimum of 30 credits, which is about 6 classes. You can choose from the classes listed here, but notice under the heading it states that in addition to the classes listed below, all classes on this sheet can be used to fulfill your elective requirements. This means that if you did want to be an art major, after your first art class, any additional art classes you take from the humanities list will be counted towards your elective requirements. Notice there are 2 kinds of physical education classes. We can only count 3 credits of activity-based physical education classes towards your degree. There is not a limit on the number of professional or lecture-based PE classes you take. The second page of this degree worksheet gives you space to create an educational plan for yourself. It also has space for you to track the classes you've taken and space to note which requirements they fulfilled so you know where you're at in completing your degree. Keep this worksheet in a safe place and be sure to have it in front of you every time you register for classes. If you register without this worksheet on hand, you may inadvertently take and pay for unnecessary, irrelevant classes. Utilize your faculty advisor as a resource. They can always help you cross-check your schedule, educational plan, and degree progress.